in Liverpool province, Guwahati province, and Shillong province. So we are at this time with Phyllis Kazi, the Vice Principal is getting ready for in Meso and for PJ in Kopro. That's a small book. This
Kumshiban tagajing rakhi kasngi buram udon boss ko bukhoj unong sang kajing slok reunion solution hinne kasngi life way terip kolaling kot arja ar la pelat yakakot ki Shispah Snem kertiang shaki Shispah Snem balalet jongki kam Mishon Salesian hagi than stay lamingi jongkari India the Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh haringkat kajing don lang provincial Salesian of Don Bosco Shillong province Father Paul O Lincoln Father John Zuziama vice provincial Father Pascal Lyngdoh parish priest ka cathedral Father Jimmy Marngar, Father Saji Stephen, Rector ka Don Bosco Technical School, ki Sister FMA, MHMSC, VSDV, ki Brothers, ki Salesian Cooperators, ki Past People ka Don Bosco, but ki way. Ya kanika kot la thought purwandor do Father Joseph, Ani Kuzi Katil, SDB, kanika kot kalong history lingkot sepangajing wan yuk kejat but ki kam mission jong kajing slok reunion solution. La sam ru marko ka copy shakinong mi kmat jong seng reunion prepare budget ki khon samla badon hakani kajing lang lingkot.
And from the VSDV sisters, from the Salesian Cooperators, and it's a short history of the Salesian presence here from 1922 to 2022. It's a small book in Khasi. So this book is meant for all. So it's meant for all. Anybody can go to all the families here in the three dioceses of Chawai, Nongstein, and Shillong. So people will read this. Just
I'm very happy to release this book. May it reach to all people of Northeast.
Amen.
The book is like this: is Shispah Snem. Kertiang segi Shispah Snem balalek jongki kam Mishon Salesian hakitain seti lamingi jongki India. Okay. We'll invite one representative from the Salesian sisters, from the MSMSC sisters, and from the VSDV sisters, from the Salesian Cooperators, and from the past peoples, and also from our young people.
Okay, a very happy peace day to all of us.